I'm Carissa.
Hi, and I'm Carol.
And welcome to our shop.
CNC Styles.
We're really excited you're here. We're independent representatives with Agnes and Dora. And we also carry a couple accessories from other wholesalers in our Facebook group, which we'll put a link to in the comments and the description of this video below. At the end of this video, we're going to show you a little bit of how to shop our website. But what we want to do right now is we want to kind of show you what the Agnes and Dora core brand is. Our classic styles, some of our fabrics, some of our, typical, our best-selling bottoms, tops, layers, all that sort of stuff. And at the end, we'll show you a couple of our specialty pieces because every week they come out with new styles that are on trend, but also sometimes things that are just staples to our closet, like cami tanks,
Yes.
So let's take a look at some of these things.
So here are some of our tops.
Our dolman tunic, it's versatile. You can wear it down or you can pull it up like this and wear it kind of bunched up here at the hips, which is kind of another fun way to wear it. And it hides up the mama tummy, which is great. It's got a dolman sleeve and it's definitely true to size.
This is the everyday tee. It's one of our top sellers for tees. And it has a little bit of a drop down in the back for a nice coverage. Otherwise, it is just your everyday tee.
And the long sleeve version, I've actually sized up one in this so you can see it gives me a little extra length and the sleeves are a little bit longer. I do prefer my true size, which didn't have.
This is our swing tunic. Our swing tunic is a slight A-line tunic that can easily be worn as a dress if you would like to wear it as a dress. It also has pockets. So this is the swing tunic.
Love top. It comes in a top version like this. It also comes in a tunic length version, which hits right above my knee typically. And the tunic version does run a little bit big, so you'll want to size down one. It looks really cute as a dress. The top though is, again, like I said, one of my favorites. It's great for nursing. It has this V-neck. It has these seamings on the sleeves, which make lots of room. It's really great for anyone that has a larger bust. And it's just one of the most comfortable tops you will ever wear.
This is the Muse tunic. The Muse has a baby doll drop waist, which is very flattering on a pear shape. This is one of my favorite shirts.
This is our essential tank. It's true to size. This one is the V-neck version. It's got the same kind of cut as the everyday tee, so it was another one of our best sellers, especially in the summertime. It's got a nice little bit of an A-line, so it has room for your hips, a little bit longer in the back than in the front, and really, really great coverage on the top.
What I have on now is the relaxed ruffle. The relaxed ruffle is one of my favorite shirts. It's very stretchy. It has a lot of movement, a great length on it, and it's just a really, really cute shirt.
It's a chiffon fabric, so it doesn't have a lot of stretch. It's called the drape tank. It has a lot of fun drapiness. I'm wearing the small, which is my true size. And if you have a larger bust, you're going to want to size up because there's not a lot of room up here. Here are some of our favorite bottoms.
The knit jeggings are made out of a knit spandex stretch. And so they have lots and lots of stretch in them. They have a yoga waistband. They have back pockets, and you can cuff them.
It's the leggings. They're super buttery soft. It's what started Agnes and Dora. They're true to size. They come in 3 to 4 sizes. Small, medium is what I'm wearing. There's the large, and then there's the XL.
And here are some of our dresses.
So this is our Vincent high-low dress. It has come in a long sleeve version during the winter time and the short sleeve version in the summer and springtime. It's got a nice V-neck. It's got a front seam, which Carol likes to say is very elongating. A little bit longer in the back than in the front. This is a medium on me and I'm typically a small, but because of my postpartum body, it works a little bit in between sizes. So this is our fit and flare dress, or previously known as the Fisher dress. It's got pockets. It's a nice crew neck. I'm actually wearing the medium, which is a size up for me because we didn't have the small, but I love this plaid color. It's got a really nice A-line silhouette, just a really cute dress.
This is the Essential Knitty, formerly known as the curry dress. This dress has a V-neck, 3/4 sleeves, and it has the pockets. It's a great length, an absolutely fabulous dress.
Here are some of our layers. Called the bomber jacket. It's really cute, nice stretchy fabric, has a really great zip up cuffed sleeves, collar, and some inside lapels, which are great pieces and details for a jacket like this.
This is our lace duster. The lace duster is this really pretty detailed lace. It has the drawstring, but you can easily wear it just open, nice and casually. It is really also great as a beach cover-up. This is the back, so you can see some of the detail. An excellent layering piece.
Our, like an essential cardigan, our favorite cardigan. It's got 2 names on our website and they're basically the same. These really cute buttons, pockets, it's a nice length, long sleeves, true to size for sure.
Here are some of our accessories.
So as of the recording of this video, Agnes and Dora only has scarves in their accessory line. They're really soft. We have some blanket scarves in the winter time, and we have these nice everyday scarves as well. So we want to show you some of the specialty pieces that we carry from time to time, or examples of what they'll look like, because they will change depending on the week.
Yeah.
So one of them that we've carried recently is the cami tank, which we love. It's really great. It actually comes up really high and has adjustable straps. So that's a new piece that we've had. Another cute, this actually comes back frequently sometimes, especially in the summer, is a tiered tunic. It actually is a real full-length tiered tunic piece, tank style, which is really cute. And this is another fun one that we had in the summer of 2018, which is a tie sleeve top in stripes. And it's more of a French terry fabric on this tee. We carry a variety of different fabrics in our clothing, and you'll be able to see the descriptions of these fabrics on the website under each item. There's a description tab that you can look at and see a lot of these details.
So thank you for watching our video.
We're really excited that you now have a better understanding of all of the Agnes and Dora styles that make up our core brand. Again, a lot of things come in over and over again that are limited edition pieces, so be sure to check out our shop frequently. You can join our Facebook community where we give you updates and let you know when new things are coming in. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more tip and trick videos. You can follow us on Instagram at cncstyles.com, and you can also like our business page on Facebook, where we do live reviews every week of the new inventory we come in and show you how it kind of fits and flows, because again, we get new stuff all the time. So thanks again for watching.